everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be a locker decorating video. So to start off this video, I'm going to be making two DIYs. So the first one is the locker banner that you just saw, so this can be placed inside your locker to decorate it and add some fun touch. So the first step is just going to be taking some colorful paper. You can choose any design you want. Then we're going to be folding it in half, and then you're going to be cutting it into triangles where the folds meet. So don't cut on the other side or else it won't turn out right. Make sure you cut on the fold. So I made 3 triangles, but you can make more or less depending on how big you want the banner to be and how full you want it to be. And then after you're done cutting out some triangles, we're going to be taking some string. So I just have like this gold gift wrapping string, whatever it is, and I'm just going to be cutting it. Then we're going to be taking some glue and we're going to be gluing the triangle to the string. So on the first one I actually messed up, so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be following the step right here that you can see on the screen. Sorry, I'm really bad at voiceovers. But then after that, you're actually going to want to be placing some glue on top of the string as well to make sure that the triangle fold is secured. I'm really bad at explaining this, but you'll see in like the next clip. So this part right here, I just kind of, folded it down and was hoping it would stay. But then I was smarter and realized you need to actually glue on top of the string as well. So you're going to be gluing 2 times in all for each triangle. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing that and you can see it on the screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed that up. But whenever you're done, it should look like a banner and it'll be really cute and it adds a really fun touch to your locker. This next DIY I have is very simple and easy. It's going to be these photo magnets. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find some photos that I want to print out because I have an HP sprocket, which is basically a device that connects to your phone and you can print out whatever photos that you have on your phone and make them into tiny little Polaroid picture type things. So I'm just going through my Snapchat memories and my camera roll to find pictures that I want to hang up in my locker. And then once I've found them, I'm just going to be saving them to my favorites on my camera roll. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my HP sprocket out of the case. And then there's an app that you download, so I'm just going to go onto that app as you can see on the screen, and then I'm going to click on the picture that I want. I'm going to add it to my gallery, and then once you add it to your gallery or your queue, it's going to automatically start printing as long as you have paper in the machine. So I'm going to be just printing all my pictures. Sorry, I'm really bad at voiceovers. I literally suck at them. But yeah, I'm just going to be printing, and as you can see, it says 1 image added to queue, so then it's just going to start printing automatically, and you'll have your little Polaroid pictures. And then after you have all the pictures, we'll be moving on to the next step.
You got me down on the ground like I see no vision. I owe some mirrors and mirrors and baby nothing's clearer. You got me running around like there's so much to do, but maybe that's too much for you.
The final step is adding the magnet, and this is the most crucial part because that's what makes the whole DIY. So I have this magnet strip that I found at Walmart. You can find these anywhere, and I'm just cutting it into a piece for each photo that I have. And then my type of magnet strip has a little adhesive sticker. So to apply it to whatever you want to apply it to, you have to take the little sticker off. So once the sticker is off, it's very simple. You just literally stick the magnet onto the photo and you're done. So I'm going to be doing that for each picture. But yeah, that's basically the whole DIY. This is literally the simplest thing ever. And I love it because you can add personalized pictures to your locker and you don't have to like go somewhere and print them out. So I really like this and it's simple. Moving on to actually decorating the locker, I'm just going to be adding in the locker shelf, a mirror, and then I'm going to be adding in all the DIYs that we just made, so the locker banner and then as well as the pictures. But yeah, that's basically all I added for my locker and I really like how it turned out. So if you guys like this video and you found any of this helpful, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button down below and also comment and hit the post notification bell because I post on Mondays and Fridays each week. And I love you all so much and thank you guys for watching. And also at the end of this, I'm going to be showing you guys how my friend decorated her locker. So if you guys want to see that, then that's going to be in this clip right here. I love you all so much and I will see you Monday. Bye!